Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Green Kitchen channel. Today, we're going to prepare together the easiest focaccia in the world. In this recipe, you don't even need to knead the focaccia, so you won't even get your hands dirty. To get it, we just need to put in a few minutes of effort. The rest is waiting, as we naturally have to wait for it to rise. The result will be a soft, fluffy, and delicious focaccia. Let's see how to make it. In a large bowl, pour 700 milliliters of warm water and then add 8 grams of active dry yeast and a teaspoon of sugar to help activate the yeast. Mix well and add 800 grams of semolina flour and durum wheat, and also 20 grams of fine salt. Pour in 25 grams of extra virgin olive oil. Mix with a spoon for about 2 minutes, and once you have a soft and smooth dough that easily comes off the sides, cover everything with a damp kitchen cloth and let the dough rest for at least 6 hours. I recommend preparing the dough in the morning and baking in the evening, or vice versa. Once the dough has doubled in volume and become even softer, lightly grease a baking pan. Mine is 40 centimeters by 27 centimeters, and gently spread the dough on it with your fingers. Let it rise for another hour to allow it to puff up nicely. If you want an extra soft result, you can extend the second rising time. Now comes the fun part. Poke the dough with your fingers and drizzle it with another 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil just before putting it in the oven. If you find it difficult to poke the dough with your fingers because it's very soft, I recommend doing it after spreading it. It will be much easier. Finally, pour half a glass of warm water over the focaccia, which will help maintain its softness during baking, and sprinkle a teaspoon of salt on top. Before baking, let the focaccia rest for another 10 minutes to absorb some of the water. Preheat the oven to 250 degrees Celsius or 480 degrees Fahrenheit in static mode. The baking time may vary depending on the size of the oven, but it will be approximately 30 to 40 minutes. And there you have it, the focaccia. Once taken out of the oven, it's a wonder, isn't it? It's really delicious, and the satisfaction it gives you is immense. As you've seen, this focaccia requires perhaps just 5 minutes of actual work, while the rest is just waiting. And here it is, the soft and light inside of the focaccia. This focaccia lasts up to 2 to 3 days when wrapped in a kitchen towel. And of course, you can also freeze it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and write me some feedback on the recipe in the comments. Thank you for spending your time with me, and we'll see you very soon here on the Green Kitchen channel in the next video.